Hi! So you have Nintendo Switch and SL or SR or LED strip on one of the Joy-Con stopped working. Here is a quick guide how to fix the problem, and in the end, for the curious viewers, we will check what actually went wrong. First thing you need to do is to buy a new Rigid-Flex PCB. Make sure you buy the right one, because they are different for the left and for the right controller. Next, make sure you have the right screwdriver for the job. Why? For these weird 3-wing screws, you need Y00 type of head. Even though I would not recommend it, it is possible to unscrew these screws with 1mm flathead screwdriver, but you have to be really careful because you can easily damage the screw or the screwdriver head. All the other screws are more normal, and you most certainly already have all you need. And yes, just one another thing or tip: do not hurry, take your time and be extremely careful, because tiny elements and tiny connectors inside can easily be damaged, really easily. And if you break one of those, well, you are screwed and there is no screwdriver for that. So I will shut up now and repair this thing. And if you are here just for that, you can easily close the video and go on. But for the curious ones, I promised we will check the PCB to see what actually went wrong. Because why? I don't think that buttons failed, and I also don't think that LEDs failed. I think this is something wrong with the flex flat cable. But we will check this in a second. So let's first do a test on a component basis with my UNI-T UT120C, really nice pocket multimeter. That's doing fine. That's also doing fine, so let's check the last one. Of course, it's working fine. So all three buttons are working okay. Let's check the LEDs. First one is working. Second one is also working. Third one is working, and you guessed it, the last one works fine. So all the components works just fine. So what else do we got? We have possible oxidation on the exposed pads, but they're gold plated and it looks fine. The last thing that could go wrong is the flex cable. So we will check one by one. I'm sorry I can't do the pin-to-pin measurements because the problem revealed itself. Look, I was just moving the flex cable around and look what happened. Yeah. So now it's clear. The decision that they will bend the flat flex so sharply made these problems. So that's it, just a little extra so that we know what's going on. Have a nice day and see you next time. Bye.